Hello everyone, welcome to the course MATLAB Basics and Programming, an in-depth guide for beginners. My name is Dr. Vaibhav Hendre and I'm a MATLAB professor for this course. I'm a professor in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering at GH Raisoni College of Engineering and Management, which is an autonomous institute affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University in India. I'm having more than 21 years of teaching experience and I'm teaching many subjects related to electronics and telecommunication domain such as signals and systems, digital communication, information theory and coding, wireless and mobile communication, and my most favorite subject is statistics, which I have taught to many branches of engineering and sciences. I have published 26 research articles in various index journals and conferences, having one patent and completed 500 projects in the domain of wireless and mobile communication, which is exploring a MATLAB in more detail. Apart from that, I'm a professional MATLAB instructor and I have trained more than 2000 students and around 500 faculty members of various institutes throughout my variety of MATLAB courses, which includes MATLAB Basics and Programming, the course that I'm proposing here for you. Another very interesting course is Data Processing and Visualization, which requires almost for every branch of engineering and science. Graphical user interface is another very interesting tool provided by the MATLAB, and I have one more course related to building graphical user interface. Simulink is another platform where you can do a system level integration or design of system level problems that you can do with the MATLAB Simulink. So there is a separate course on the MATLAB Simulink, and MATLAB provides variety of toolboxes and block sets. So there are courses which covers the areas related to signal processing, image processing, digital communication, software defined radio, cognitive radio, statistical data analysis, and many more such courses. So I'm confident here to give you an in-depth knowledge required for the MATLAB through this particular course. So I would like to welcome you to the world of MATLAB. MATLAB stands for Matrix Laboratory and it is a software which is developed by MathWorks. Now what is basically a MATLAB? It is a high performance language used for technical computing and it integrates numerical computation, visualization and programming in an easy to use environment where problems and solutions are expressed in a familiar mathematical notation. So if you look at any branch of engineering and science, it requires all these three aspects together for doing any kind of technical computing, that is numerical computation, visualization and programming, and MATLAB can do all these three tasks in a single software. Now why to study MATLAB? Because it founds a lot of applications related to mathematics and computation, algorithm development. You can easily interface MATLAB with the external hardware for data acquisition kind of applications. Then you can use MATLAB for modeling, simulation and prototyping kind of things which are very much useful in the domain of design and prototyping of the models. You can use MATLAB for data analysis, exploration and visualization. It is a very good tool for scientific and engineering graphics for the branches of mechanical and civil engineering aspects. It has a very good application development environment which includes graphical user interface building. And MATLAB you can apply to all latest technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science or deep learning kind of applications. You can also use MATLAB for automated guided vehicles and such kind of advanced applications to the various branches of engineering. This is the reason why you should learn a MATLAB. Apart from that, you will find out that there are a lot of career opportunities available in the MATLAB. As far as the world's most famous technical magazine CIO, it listed MATLAB as one of the most in-demand skill in industry. At the same time, LinkedIn also has mentioned that the skills companies need most in 2020, it includes a MATLAB for all kind of applications that you can use for the engineering and science. You will also find out that there are a lot of job opportunities available in the MATLAB across the world, and you may refer my one of the lecture in my course. So this is the reason why we should learn a MATLAB. And now about this course, who is this course for? This course is for the beginners who have never programmed, The programmers coming up in from other languages, or the programmers who know the some basics of MATLAB but want an in-depth knowledge to level up their skills. For those, this particular course has been designed. So this is a brief outline of the course. My course is divided into two parts. First part is called as Getting Started with MATLAB, where there are almost 6 sections for getting started with the MATLAB, where we'll start initially from MATLAB system development environment and slowly we'll get acquainted with this development environment by learning MATLAB as a mathematical calculator. Then we'll focus in more detail about the arrays and matrices, which is the basic building block of the MATLAB, and then slowly we'll try to develop some application projects related to the concepts what we have learned in the first part A to application project 1 and 2. Then we'll explore the basic concepts of graphics in MATLAB. We will try to understand how to create 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional graphs in the MATLAB, and then we'll do some MATLAB application projects 3 and 4 related to the basic graphics. Now, what kind of application projects expects? The application projects such as solving systems of linear equations for an application of electrical resistive network for carrying out the DC analysis kind of applications, or applications related to finding out the numerical integrations for single integration or for double integration for any complex mathematical equation, or the applications which can find out the roots of the polynomials for any complex polynomial equation with any higher order of x, or the applications which will try to visualize your data in the terms of horizontal and vertical bar graphs, or in terms of pie charts and 3D pie charts, or it will also try to help you how to visualize the 3-dimensional surface plots with the contour plots, which are very much required for the graphics kind of parts related to mechanical and civil engineering. Apart from that, my course has part B called as Programming in MATLAB, where we'll start with learning how to design a simple script file in the MATLAB, then how to create the user-defined function files in the MATLAB, and in the fundamental programming concepts part 1 we will start with the relational and logical operators. Along with that we'll learn the conditional statements such as if, else and switch case, and then in part 2 we will focus on the looping statements such as for loop and while loop, and then we'll try to apply the things what we have learned in programming in MATLAB through 2 different interesting projects 5 and 6. Apart from that, in the conclusion and future scope, I will let you know how you can explore your study of MATLAB further to all different types of branches of engineering depending upon your interest. I will give you a brief idea about the toolboxes available in the MATLAB, and one bonus lecture which is trying to give you the concepts of basic data analysis, which you can explore for data science and data analytics kind of subjects. The application projects, they are based upon designing MATLAB code for a robot motion to find the path of a hand robot. This kind of applications will get covered, or the applications related to animations where your curve tracing kind of animation, or the 2-line animation that we can cover, or you will also try to understand how to record and playback movie by using MATLAB in this particular application project. So to summarize, my course consists of almost 12 practice exercises, which is going to give you a hands-on practice of whatever the concepts that you have learned in this particular course, along with 20 quizzes which will try to brush up the fundamental concepts that you have learned, and there are 6 application based projects which will try to apply whatever the contents that you have learned from this particular course to various applications. And definitely throughout the course you will get a lot of hands-on practice. So what course benefits you are getting? While doing the course, you have access to online question and answer platform where you can raise your queries and your query will get addressed to that particular online platform. Apart from that, you will get a certificate of course completion after the completion of this particular course, and it's an international certification that you will get from Udemy. Apart from that, you can add MATLAB on your resume, and that's all for this introduction. I'm really excited to see you in my course. Get started today and enroll now into this particular course.